Hi, welcome back to Mama Deb's kitchen for stage 3 of this cake. So the cakes came out and they're just perfect. We're letting them cool. Look at that frosting, the German chocolate frosting Tori made. Right now I'm making the chocolate frosting and it's saying to melt a half a cup of butter, and this is 2/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, and it says to stir this in there with the butter. Then I'm going to add in the powdered sugar and the milk, and I'm going to alternate it, it says. So this is 1/3 a cup of evaporated milk. So I'm going to put a little bit in here.
Should I do 1/3 of 1/3?
Oh, shoot, it's thickening already. Oh. Ah. I'm going to put the milk, all the milk in, because it's getting too thick for it to. Oh, and then there's vanilla. I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla in as well, but that's always at the end. This has got to be more milk than this. Look at this. Oh, it's combining. Okay. Does it say to take it away from the heat? No butter. Leading to spreading, add small additional. Okay. I'm just going to. The butter's melted, so I don't see a reason to keep it, you know what I mean, on.
Yeah.
And basically what I'm looking for is like a frosting spreadability consistency that I like. I'm going to put in some more powdered sugar. This is 3 cups of powdered sugar, by the way. Kind of scared me at first. Didn't look like it was going to be too thick.
Yeah.
I'm making a mess. Sorry, folks.
Your kitchen.
It's my kitchen. I'm going to be the one cleaning it, so. It says that if whatever consistency you want it to be, you can add a little bit more milk or add more powdered sugar. I'm thinking this is going to come out just perfect. And as I mentioned before, this frosting is going to be layered in the middle like a well, and then we're going to put some of that in the middle of the cake, and then on top of the cake we're going to frost it again with some of the chocolate frosting, and then we're going to top it off with the German chocolate frosting. Okay, so look, that's perfect frosting consistency. See that? And now I'm just going to stir in
What's the vanilla do with that?
the vanilla. It just adds a little vanilla flavor to it. Vanilla is like a alcohol-based like thing. It dries up. It doesn't really add wetness to it. You know what? Oh, there I go. All right, so when we come back, we'll have the cake. We have to wait till all this cools down. So we'll have the cake frosted for you to see. I'm excited because my little chantilly cake was so pretty last week, was it last week we did that? For Aunt Anna's birthday. And kind of fell apart. My advice on that, I would just buy a white cake mix and use that frosting. The chantilly frosting is delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. My next week's show will be baked mostaccioli. We'll be back with the cake.